let's check the result of this trading robot together. This is one of the best Forex robot in the market. I currently link it in my $1,000 account. And so far in today's trading, it has already made me $200. Now let's assume that you run Milan AI Trading Legendary for 1 month. Okay, let's head over to calculator. Let's calculate. Let's say 200 times 30 equals to $6,000. You see, within a period of months, you'll be making $6,000 with this trading robot. You can see on the chart right here with the open position at the middle, it has already created stop loss at the top, take profit at the downside. That's why we call it legendary. If you want to gain access to this trading robot, check the link on the description of this video. You're gonna see a link that will take you to our Telegram channel. So don't forget, I remain your friend Milan AI Trading. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Reach out on Telegram so that we can be able to make this money together. Bye for now.